Hi, my name is Robin Lutke, and I'm a loan officer with Edina Realty Mortgage. And I often get asked what information is needed to get pre-approved for a home loan and how long is that pre-approval good for? Most lenders do have an online loan application, and the information that is gathered on that application is going to be where has the borrower lived for the last couple of years, an employment history for at least the last 2 years, bank account information for the accounts that they plan to use for their purchase, and a credit report will need to be pulled. The buyer may have to supply documentation such as pay stubs, W-2s, possibly a tax return, depending on the borrower's type of employment, bank statements, and sometimes explanations are required. If there's any late payments or collections on a credit report, that lender may want an explanation from the borrower as to why those things happened. If there are large deposits into a bank account that are obviously not from a payroll deposit, so any random large deposits, the lender may very well want an explanation as to where that money came from. Again, any credit issues that there might be, those will need to be explained. So all of that information is collected and a pre-approval hopefully is given to the consumer. The pre-approval is good for 120 days from when that credit report was pulled. If a home buyer does not find a home and close within those 120 days, then that credit report will just need to be pulled again. But most of the time, a consumer or a borrower will be able to get pre-approved, shop for a home, and close within that 120 days. During that time, that 120 days or the time from pre-approval to closing on the home, it is highly encouraged that, a borrower does not change employment without talking to their loan officer, doesn't have any large deposits into the bank account without discussing it with the loan officer first, and doesn't move a lot of money around from one account to another, because that money is going to have to be tracked prior to closing. So just leaving it in an account is usually the easiest way. So to decrease the amount of documentation that may need to be provided later. So really, you can, once the loan pre-approval is given, if a borrower just keeps everything the same, doesn't do anything that makes it more difficult, that is always going to be the best experience for the borrower. Again, my name is Robin Lutke at Edina Realty Mortgage. So if you have any questions in regards to being pre-approved, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.